just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitization, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring to the people that pour into you, because life is so short. It's super late, but I still wanted to get this Sunday reset in. So I got on up, finished what I was doing, and I was like, let me just go ahead and get the house clean. Just got a few things to touch up. Gotta take the dishes out the dishwasher, put some more dishes in, tidy up each room, and just get organized before the week starts, because I got a lot going on this week, and I feel my space has to be organized in order for me to be able to think and have a clear head space. If you don't organize daily, it just becomes stuff on top of stuff, which explains the dishes. This week, I just didn't pay attention to them at all. So now I got all these dishes to do. And then I just got to straighten up the living room, straighten up my makeup room, straighten up my bedroom, put up laundry. That's another thing that I've been putting off this week as well. And I'll admit that. So me feeling girly and feeling dainty and romanticizing everything, I gotta get this house back in order. So y'all come along with me and help me. Don't just sit there and watch. Start picking up some stuff and help me. This is a team effort and I need y'all. So let's get it done.
Catch your breath. Quickly. Catch your breath. Are your horses in place? Keep your eye on your lane. Steady with your pace. I know it's been so hard to go against the 10. I know you want that to win. How much time?
I done twisted my scarf, worked out of my scarf. I'm so tired. But I got everything done. And I'm definitely not making up my bed because I'm finna get in it. Whew. But I'm glad I was able to go ahead and get everything accomplished that I wanted to accomplish tonight before I lay it down. Because I just don't want to go into another day, into another week, and not have my house in order. So I hope y'all enjoyed resetting me. I hope it inspired y'all to just slow down, reset, and pour back into you because you deserve it. My my scarf is all over the place. I'm tired. I'm finna take a shower, finna do my face care routine, and I'm gonna go to bed. One thing I want y'all to remember is that you don't really have to have everything figured out because there's no possible way and there's no perfect person. So everything is not gonna be perfect all the time. So small steps every day, they really add up. So let's talk about making sure that you touch up at night before you go to bed, things like that. Sometimes that just doesn't happen the way we want it to. The week may get away from us. The day may get away from us and you'd be like, oh, well, I'm going to just do it tomorrow. And then next thing you know, you got a pile of things. But every week is a fresh opportunity for you to work towards your goals and work towards having things the way that you want them to be. Make sure y'all like this video and make sure that you drop that in the comments and let me know one thing that you plan on doing differently this upcoming week. Give me a goal. My goal is to every day touch up before I go to bed. Every day for 7 days straight. So I'll check back in with y'all and let y'all know how I did with my goal. But what's one goal that you have going into the next week? Drop that in the comments and let me know. Make sure y'all like this video and make sure, most importantly, that you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye. Have a good night. Bye.